What is happening, guys? We are back at it again. It seems like we're always doing intros in the truck because we're always heading somewhere. Today's no different. We are going creek fishing again. It had been a few weeks since we had been creek fishing, but we got to go 4 or 5 days ago. We got no video of that because when we got out there, unknowing to us, we got into a torrential downpour, thunderstorm, lightning. We caught like 12 fish. I think 8 smallmouth and 3-4 rock bass. So we had a good day, but we got rained on like a lot, so we got no video to account for that. So we're trying again today. It's 82 degrees right now. It is a gorgeous day out, so we're gonna get after it. We're gonna hit the same spot. I think there's some smallmouth still just itching to eat down there, so we're gonna go give it a shot.
Don't step in the hole.
Yeah, don't step in the hole. We'll fall. Oh God, man down. Oh God. Grab a hold of that tree. It won't hold my weight though. What is that? Oh, that's one of my baits or something. It hit me in the head. Jesus. About killed me. So last time we were here, whoop, calling down too.
Hey, we're calling down and a daddy down.
Yep. So the last time we fished up this way first, but we're gonna cover a little more water. We're gonna cover all of that and we're gonna go that way, but we're gonna fish. There's some really big water down there. I can see it, it's deep. We're gonna fish down this way and then come back up.
You wanna go?
Yo, this creek is perfect. It rained over the weekend, so it has a slight murk to it. And that's how I like it, because typically once a fish sees you, they're not gonna bite. And we see this all the time. And so this little bit of murky water, I think it's gonna help us, them not see us, but it's clear enough that we're not really like fishing hard to fish murky water, or muddy water, I should say. Oh yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. Here, let me get you drag here. Stop.
Tighten it up, hurry.
I'm trying. Nice catch. All right, reel him in. Reel him up. All right, come on, baby. That's a good one. I told you there's gonna be some fish down here.
That was a good. I was just reeling it in slow because I got too fast.
That drag was obviously set way too light, but he's zipping out there.
He was zipping. Hey, I'm gonna let him go. Well, I have to so we can get an underwater view.
Lip him hard.
Then we gotta do an underwater shot.
Yes, let's do an underwater shot.
Better hurry before I throw him in.
Hold on.
Ready?
Put him under. Hold him there.
Stop casting.
No. Nice catch.
That's a rocky.
Yeah, it is a rocky. Did you get it?
Yeah, almost. I got fish. Here you go. Hopefully he's not floppy like the other one was. Got it.
Okay.
I put it. Now I just need to get that little piece out of the bag.
Okay.
The bag ain't that bad.
No.
But you gonna get an underwater shot of this?
No.
No. Maybe the bag.
Here, hold him up for me. Let me just get a good. God, that's a big rock bass, man. That's probably one of the biggest ones I've seen.
Got it.
There you go. Good man. You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Good.
I'm glad I did not go upstream. Because I was thinking about it, but I was like, it gets deeper and deeper.
Mm-hmm.
There we go. Back there. What's he back there? Dude, there's a tree. I know. You know.
Whew, got one.
Got it?
Yep, got it.
That's a remote.
Small. Oh,
jump.
oh, he did jump.
I see it.
Yeah, man, this. I try not to splash too much. I think they'll know we're here, but man, they're loaded in here. What's that make? 4 in probably,
2 seconds.
I mean, not any time at all.
And I only caught one though.
I know, I've only caught one.
No, you caught 2.
No, I haven't.
Oh, well, I'm the only one who caught 2. You know what? If I was over here, if I didn't get the hook and daddy, I would have caught more.
Probably.
But I did
2 and what, 3, 4 casts? 3 casts? I don't know. There weren't many casts, though.
I believe it was 2. It wasn't many.
No, it wasn't many.
It was either 2 or 3, and I believe it was 2.
Oh, you just got one. I seen it come up.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good one, dude. That's a good one. Reel him up out there. There you go, Hubby. Yeah. Yeah. This is the biggest one this morning for sure. Oh my goodness.
He's getting slack out of my thing.
Oh no. All right, slow down. All right, that's good, that's good. You don't need to reel him to the, that's good, as long as I can get him.
Oh, that sucker's fat.
Dude, that's a dandy.
You guys, oh my God. I shouldn't have holded it like this, Daddy. Look how I holded it. The side of the rod was
Cutting into you?
red.
Dude, that's wicked.
That's almost as big as the one I caught last year. Remember that?
Not quite. The one you caught last year was big.
Well, it's almost.
This one's probably a pound and a half maybe.
I caught a 9-pounder last year.
No, you didn't catch a 9-pounder. You caught like a 3-pounder. It
No,
was a
4-pounder.
it was a big smallie. You gotta
Is
lip
that
him,
a
lip him hard.
smallmouth?
Yes, lip him hard, grip him good, because he's gonna start flipping a little. That's a female, I believe, because she's got a big fat belly. Either that or he's been eating a really good one. All right, hold on. All right, I'm gonna start putting him in the water. See if we can't get a release.
He headbutted my foot, and it hurt really bad.
Oh.
What do you mean? A different spot from mine.
Oh my God! Oh, one hit it as soon as it hit the water.
Almost got stuck in there. Well, I don't want to move right now, so yeah.
Got him. Oh, it's got to be a little tiny fish. So that's 2 times it's got off. It's hit as soon as I hit the water. Got one. Oh, he got off. God bless.
Third time you lost one.
I know. That's because they're little or something. They're biting just the tail of my grub instead of the hook.
You got it across?
You cast all the way to that bank if you can, and then drag it across it. There you go. Ooh, just like that. Got him. Little fella. This is why they kept missing him. That's a rock bass. Look how tiny he is.
Oh my God.
Little baby. He's cute though. That's what kept missing. That's why I've been getting all them bites. Little baby rock bass. They're cute as heck though. Plonk. Leapfrogging.
I'm gonna leap from you.
Hey, I know you
What you want?
can't go. I got one. Oh, yeah, that's a good one too.
God bless. Don't buy them wrong.
You all need to just cast across just like I did. Boy, he's a jumper.
Jump, bro.
Yeah, jumper.
Jumper.
Jump, brother.
Yeah,
That's a good fish. That's a pretty good little fish.
a real good little fish. How do y'all catch all the fish?
I don't know.
Me and Daddy, you've caught 2 so far. I've only caught 2. I've caught 3. I've caught 3.
Oh, well, that's fine.
I casted it.
As long as we all catch, that's a nice little fat smallie right there. Beautiful fish. I'm gonna try to get a
Video
underwater video, yes.
I'm a weak I see it.
Do you have one? Oh, that's a good one too. Woo! Flapping, he said.
It won't stop flapping.
Nice fish.
This time, hopefully, we get a good.
I just knew today was gonna be a good day. What's that make? 8, 10 fish already?
That's my 4th fish, I believe. No, that's my 5th.
No, it ain't.
Because I got that rocky bass.
Oh,
and
yeah.
That was my 4th. And
What is it? What'd you catch?
rocky bass.
A rock bass. A racky bass. I don't know what the guy's name he just said. Lip him good. All right.
He went right through your leg. I'm gonna pass you one.
All right.
I'm gonna pass you one. I'm gonna catch one.
Oh, I got something little.
You popped something.
I got something little. It's a little,
Tiny baby.
he's a little baby smallie.
Because that's what it looked like what I caught when it.
Ow, he spurred me.
Remember that rainstorm, the little one I caught? And that big one
Yes,
down there?
yes.
That's just like it. I believe
Just like it. Little baby. It's probably,
It's probably
that's a solid 3-inch fish.
Yeah, it's only what is it? Just massive.
Well,
Perfect. I'm going up to this weed.
Ooh, got him.
Oh.
Aggressive little fella.
That's what goes in, Daddy. Four.
Is it? I don't remember. I don't remember. I've not really been keeping great account. I don't really remember.
We're calling it four.
No, it's a little smaller. We know you. It's on my back, dude. No can do. Oh, I just got a hit. One came up. Oh, God, there's some little bitty fish just out in the middle. Doesn't matter. Ooh. That was a good choice on that bait, wasn't it? First cast. Pulled a rock bass out of there, which is kind of crazy. I was actually surprised. I didn't actually think I was going to catch anything on it. I just figured I'd give it a shot because I'd never tried it before. You got one? That's what I just caught. I've got one here too. Yep.
I hooked him right in the eye.
Did you?
He grabbed one of my hooks from the mouth,
Uh-huh.
and the other one, I think it might have hooked in his eye. I don't know. But, pretty sick. I just seen another fish.
Rockbass, a cute little fella. Bring it here.
Where's that fish coming
Bring it here.
Go.
What is this little fella?
He is.
It's a cute little fella though.
He is. Look.
You didn't get him in the eye. You got him right basically in the forehead.
Oh. It looked like an eye.
I need to fix your hooks. I got him in the tongue too. Cool
Here,
looking little fish. Flip him. All right. Turn and pitch him in.
Ooh, he wiggled. There you go, buddy.
Let me fix your hooks. Your hooks are bent.
Go! My thing was...
Do you really? Oh my God.
Get it!
I know you snagged him. Bring him here. I'll take him off.
It looks like a bait.
He came after, yeah, he came after it. Ah, don't jump, little
My
fella.
thing was spinning, my hook was on it, and he fixed it. Did he fix it?
I don't know if he did or not. Oh,
Yeah, he fixed it.
hooked him right in
It
his
was
little belly.
spinning, and he came over and...
Well, that's a tiny fella.
I'm throwing him in.
You just get a hold of him. There you go. Throw him in.
Aw, I dropped him.
Dude, really?
He's gonna get back in the water. There you go, buddy. That sucker's small.
He was small. Oh, got one. He came right out under them roots. What is it, rock bass?
Yeah, I believe it's all.
Yeah, Rocky.
I see my bait. It's just that I'm tangled in this one branch. Daddy,
Nice little Rocky.
Daddy,
Why?
look right here, 'cause there's not a lot of... What's that, Ollie? Slowly cranking. I'm doing squats while I fish.
Oh, got one.
Woo, he pulled a big
Boy, that's a
one.
good one. That's probably the one I saw.
That was scared off.
Yep.
Can I fish over there, though?
No,
Wow, okay.
because I just probably scared everything in there. You can cast over there, that's
a
fine.
big one.
That's a good one.
Yeah. I don't know if it's the biggest one, but...
It's not the biggest one. That one you caught this morning was the biggest.
Oh, okay. So I've got 5 fish and the biggest fish
Yes.
in those spots.
Oh, buddy, I can't get this out of his mouth. I'm struggling.
Oh, there's a big one. I'm going a little bit deep.
Got his little mouth bleeding a little.
I missed it, so that's why she's getting tangled. I'm losing tires.
I know that.
I know, that's the tires that I've seen. I didn't even know you'd seen that tire.
He told you that a while ago. Yes, you did. Yes.
If I pull that tire,
Oh, got one.
you're gonna get me.
It's coming at you. Look out. Oh, God.
Oh, it's big. I'm gonna catch it too. Don't tell me it's coming by me.
I don't know where it is. Colin, baby, you need to watch
Oh,
out.
it's over there.
Yeah, it is.
I'm just trying to catch it for you. Dude, get out of the water.
It's going to get you.
Don't make it slap me now. I don't know how.
Don't slap me with a fish. That's what you said in the pier
Here,
fishing
can you
video.
hold
No,
mine?
no, no, no.
I don't
No,
know. Hook it though.
no. I got it.
But can I throw it in?
I don't know yet.
Because I'm going to get an underwater shot of this. The other one was a red eye
Oh.
bass. That's probably the biggest one. No, that one's not the biggest one.
No.
That's smaller than the other one he caught. Actually. It looks dang young. It looks dang
Bubba,
young.
you need to cast as far as you possibly can, straight out in front of you. I'm using basically the same bait you are. Cast as far as you can ahead, okay?
I'll try, okay?
Slow your bait down just a little. Make sure it's spinning.
If you are going to do an underwater shot, I don't know where to put my fish rod.
I'll have to do it, honey. Nice little fish.
I could put it.
Try to get that underwater shot. Oh, got one. Oh, that's a fighter. I don't think he's huge, but he's got some strength on him. Do you? Oh! Here now. Ah! Nice one.
I need your help again.
What? What? Oh! I got him. Oh, he's almost in. But yeah, come on.
Come on. Hold my fishing rod. Hold it. How are you catching all fish?
Because I'm walking ahead and being really quiet, taking my time. Here's your pole back. Here's your pole back.
Can I do let it go? I get to let it go though. And can we do an underwater shot?
Uh-uh.
No, why not?
Because it's hard to do with a pole in your hand and it's muddy. Ooh, got one. Fish on. Fish on. Hey, quit.
Grab my pole. Grab my pole. Grab my pole. It's a good one too. Heck yeah, boy. Come here, boy. You ain't that good, bro. You ain't a good
All
fighter.
right, hold on. All right, here's your pole. Here, stop.
That's pretty loud. I feel like I should be done fishing at this point because I feel like I'm not going to catch anything. And I'll try last time. If I don't catch anything, I'm just going to give you on that. There's nothing in there. I already tested. Okay, then you ain't catching nothing. On the real rod.
Got his tongue.
This is my last cast.
He's good though. The kiddos always give up about this point. Oh, I started to say, I was thinking to myself, this should have a fish in it. And it did. Come on, wild fella. Calm down. Man, you inhaled it. Both of you did. Past two fish. Just sucked that thing all the way in. Let's see, let me get the lip. Let me get the lip on you, buddy. If I can get my pliers down in there. Okay, got it out of the roof. This is a toughie. Perfect. Another nice little baby smallie. Oh yeah, I knew one would be hiding behind that rock. Yes. You can see a rock in the water. It's about a foot deep. I cast just past it and we brought this right over the top. And he was hiding right down in behind that rock, just waiting on anything to roll by. Good one too. Nice, respectable little smallmouth. That's what it's about right there. Nice fish. Woo! So guys, I think we're going to end it on that fish. We've had a great time today. Caught a lot of fish. I mean, a bunch of smallmouth, a couple of pretty decent ones, and a bunch of little rock bass. We had a good time, didn't we, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Like and subscribe.